Well, it's an early Sunday morning, and as you can see, it's going to be yet another computer video. I've been doing a lot of thinking since the 46 died, and this is my old Dell that I've saved over the years. From about, it's 2001 that I got it. And if I slide over here, this is the XT that I got at a thrift sale. I take the cover off here. You'll see, well, I need two computers here. And that space right there was the hard drive for the computer, and it has long since gone to hard drive heaven. Now, this computer, what's pain about this computer is that it's 8-bit ISA, and trying to get a controller card for it's a pain in the butt. By the way, if any of you do have a 8-bit controller card, I'll be more than happy to take it off your hands. And so, the hard drive that was installed with this is, from what I've been able to find on Wiki, is that it's an ESDI hard drive and uses this unique IBM only type of connector. By the way, if any of you have the hard drive that'll fit this connector, I'll be happy to take that off your hands too. So, in order to boot this thing up, I have to use a laplink cable through parallel ports and Microsoft Interlink server, which is an old computer networking thing that came with DOS. And so with the 46 dead, I've been thinking of a way to try and get this thing to boot up. It does have a floppy disk with MS-DOS on it that it boots to, and then it loads up Interlink and it maps the drives on the other computer, and that's how I can use it. But this is an XP machine, and that kind of stuff's a little too new to work with DOS, or at least reliably. So what I have here is the old Maxter hard drive out of the 46, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in there and see if it'll boot up just straight to MS-DOS. I think it should. I don't see why it wouldn't. I'm doing this on the fly, so who knows what's going to happen. I'm going to pause the camera here. Went in the back of my storage box and got some Dell mounting rails, and I'm just going to slide it in here. And I'm going to swap the cords out. Installed. Okay, the Dell is ready to go. Let's see what it does. I hear the hard drive spinning up. We've got a post. Let's see what it does here. It says starting Windows 95. Well, let's see here. We'll do. It's probably going to get all these.
Just what in the world do you think you're doing? You've associated the name of Bedford Tools with the killing of Bob Vila.
There we go. Well, it did get to the prompt, so I know that works. I'm going to reboot, and I'm going to go into BIOS, and I'm going to see if I can do my parallel port into SBP mode, so that I can actually get it to work with the XT. Let's see if I can find it here. Integrated devices, sound, parallel port, mode, PS2.
Well, Al, I hope you're satisfied. Well, what did I do? Well, you distracted me. That's why I whacked him, Mr. Negativity. I think you did this on purpose because he beat you at Stuff the Tooling. Oh.
I think this is it.
You didn't beat me. You even cheated. You had Jill call in. That wasn't Jill. I would never have my wife call in.
Reboot.
somebody really likes you, that's some desperate woman.
We'll type in interlink.
He's so sensitive.
I think it's under the DOS folder here. Oh wait, it's interserve.
Okay, yes, sir. I will tell him. Goodbye.
Says it's going. Well, the XT is now sitting on top of the running Dell with Microsoft Interlink server running. I'll flip this on and we'll cross our fingers and hope that this works.
Mankind may have given you the headache. Nature
It just kicked in.
we could use that today. That big.
Got a green light.
Yell at Jill. I'd insult Al.
So this is the classic XT boot sequence here.
My show with a 4x8. That is a bad day. Who was your guest on there? You wouldn't know him. He's the pioneer of boat repair. Oh, you mean Bob Vila? You know him? Oh, everybody knows Bob. I can see how a guy like him might be. There's an awful lot about tools. That's just it. Why would he?
We're redirected.
I think he knows more about tools than I do. Does he? Yeah. He knew what an ads was without cheating.
Well, that's a quick and easy way to, if you got some old software, to bootstrap a computer from another one.
How am I supposed to top that? Well, you can't. Maybe. Tim, we're ready for our special.
We're on MSD here.
Oh, right you are, Al. Let's welcome back to the show a fully repaired and healed up Mr.
Once it
Bob
gets going here,
Vila.
you can see just what we have here on this XT.
Not like I'm gonna hit ya. I'll just hang back here with Al, all right? Fine. You said it.
So this is MSD running. I'll click on it here.
You should install the switch. You're the guest. Go on.
XT. It's an 8086 PS230.
I don't think so, Bob.
We'll go to video. It's only got 640K RAM. And it's got a VGA board.
It's very simple. I just thought Bob might take a shot at it. Wiring is very simple with